Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the TikTok UV reach your daily limit problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, return for you. Okay, and go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps option, search for TikTok, tap on TikTok and force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow, back, second contracts allow, location allow, microphone allow, music and audio allow, nearby devices allow, notifications turn on notifications, back and photos and videos allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok, check update your TikTok app. My TikTok app updated showing, and tap on update and wait for few minutes and updating complete. Go to your TikTok app and tap on profile icon, tap on three dot line, scroll down, tap on screen time and delete screen time off, and now save. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.